Mario? What are we doing out here?
Because of these beautiful fireworks!
Oh. Like these all the way in the distance?
Yeah, these!
Hey Mario, we heard the commotion. What's going on?
Nothing, Buzz. It's just these awesome fireworks! See? It's just gonna take a while, okay? Okay. Wait for it. Wait for it! Wow! Wow! These are some awesome fireworks! See, Thomas? I told you they're awesome. Wow. We didn't have these back on my island. Wait, you mean Sodor? Yeah. Basically, I was originally from the UK, but I had to move because of Brexit. Yeah. Anyways, wow! Look at these fireworks! Whoa! Wait for it. Wait for it. Yeah! America! Okay. So, this is the big one! Wait for it! Wait for it! Yeah! That was a big explosion! Yeah! T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah! Whoa! Those are big explosions from small fireworks. Yeah! And they're lighting some right now! Or just did. There's some going on right now. Hang on. Wait for it. Wait for it. Yeah! That's what I'm talking about! Wow. You know, Woody? Yeah, Buzz? This is the best 4th of July ever. I agree. Look. Wait for it. Wait for it. Light some fireworks! Please! Okay. Hang on. Yeah! That's what I'm talking about! Yeah! Let's keep this party going! Woo! Yeah! Happy 4th of July, everyone! And to all, a let's blaze! Woo! Yeah! That's what I'm talking about!